Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about whether NHL 27 is available on PC and how PC players can play the game. NHL 27 releases on September 11th for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. The first thing you need to know is that NHL 27 does not have a native PC version. EA has not released the game on PC, which means you cannot download or install it directly on your computer. However, there is an example from last year's game that gives PC players some hope. NHL 26 also did not have a PC version, but it was added to EA Play in April 2026. Since EA Play is included with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, players were able to stream NHL 26 on a Windows PC through Xbox Cloud Gaming. So if NHL 27 follows the same pattern, it could eventually be added to EA Play and become playable through Xbox Cloud Gaming as well. Just keep in mind that this would only be cloud streaming. It would not be a native PC version that you can download and install. So to summarize, NHL 27 is not available on PC at launch. The game is only available on PS5 and Xbox Series X or S, and if PC players get access in the future, it will most likely be through Xbox Cloud Gaming, just like NHL 26. Hope this clears things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.